Hey, so in this video I'm going to go through how to solve a linear system using the method of substitution. So just before we get into it, let's just recall what a linear system is. So a linear system is when basically you're considering two or technically more lines at the same time. Now we're going to deal with two lines. So let's say this is one line and I have another line like this, okay? Now the solution to this linear system is going to be a special point. It's the point where they cross, and it's called the point of intersection, or POI. Okay, and our goal is to find the point of intersection, right? Specifically the x and y coordinates of the point of intersection. Okay, so let's take a look at a specific question here. So if I have two lines, I need two equations, one of which describes one line and one that describes the other. So let's say my first line is going to be given by the equation 2x plus y is equal to 12. Okay, let's say the second line is going to be given by the equation 2x minus 3y is equal to negative 12. Okay, so this is a linear system, and I would like to solve it using the method of substitution. So in the method of substitution, our goal is to take one equation and basically substitute it into the other. Now, in order to do that, we need to start by isolating for some variable. So I'm going to take a look at this first equation here, and I noticed that y looks like it'll be relatively easy to isolate for. So I'm going to isolate for y there. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides, and I get y is equal to negative 2x plus 12. Okay. So what I want to point out to you is that now that we've isolated for y, right, at the point of intersection, the y value should be the same, which by that I mean this y should be exactly the same value as this y over here. And what that means is I can substitute one y into the other y, okay, and that's exactly what we're going to do next. So I'm going to take that second equation and I'm going to substitute my first equation into it like so. We're going to get 2x minus 3. Now, but instead of writing y, I'm going to be writing what y is equal to in the first equation, which is negative 2x plus 12. Okay, and then of course I have my equals to negative 12 that comes from that second equation. So now I have this big equation, and it only has one variable, x, inside of it. So I'm going to solve for x now. I'm going to have to do some expanding and some simplifying and so on. So let's see. I'm going to have 2x. Negative 3 times negative 2x is plus 6x. Negative 3 times positive 12 is minus 36, and that is all equal to negative 12. Right? 2x plus 6x is 8x, so I get 8x. And I'm going to add 36 to both sides, so I get 8x is equal to negative 12 plus 36. Okay, so that gives me 8x is equal to 24. Dividing both sides by 8, I get x is equal to 3. So this is the x value of my point of intersection, and now I need to find the y value. Now, in order to do that, I actually have two lines which should be able to give me the y value. I just have to pick an equation and basically substitute my x value into it. So I'm going to pick the first equation to substitute into because it doesn't really matter. I could pick either, but I'm going to pick the first one. So I'm going to have 2 instead of x. I'm going to substitute 3. So 2 times 3 plus y is equal to 12. All right, 2 times 3 is 6, so I get 6 plus y equals 12, and so y is equal to 6. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to 6, and that means that my point of intersection is going to be at the point 3, 6. So this is how to solve a linear system using the method of substitution. Take care, guys.